Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are on Royal High. Sorry, I just stretched. And we're going to divine whatever. I don't know what to call it. Let's just call it the Fountain of Dreams, whatever. Fountain World. Let's just call it the park, whatever. And let's make our wish. Stood by the fountain. Okay. Sorry, I'm a slow reader, but when I read in my head, I'm like so fast. After testing your luck by making a wish upon the haunted fountain waters, you close your eyes and hear a soft splash. Almost instantly, you followed by a sound of footsteps. You open your eyes and turn to see what approached you, and to see it is Teddyzilla. Before you can do anything, it pleads, "Oh, husky girl, please help me. Some witches have turned my stuffing into cotton candy, and people are trying to get it. I'll confront the witches. Wishes." You look at Teddyzilla with a confusion for a short while, but then you tell him you'll help hunt down the witches and make them break the curse. As soon as you tell him this, you hear a wicked voice telling others to fly away. You instantly run towards the sound of the voice and tackle the witch before she can fly off, forcing her to break the curse. Don't think you won just yet, husky girl. 1, 2, 3. She yells before flying off. You laugh it off and gain XP for your brave deed. Okay, I got 62 XP, but that's okay. I'm gonna make an outfit. Hairstyle. This one's cute. Nah. I really like those bangs. And, well, my, favorite hairstyle is this one. It's really cute. I love it. Yeah. I don't know what we'd be doing in Royal High, but yeah, let's leave. Ooh, let's play Daycare Story. That sounds kind of fun. Wait, okay. Loading. This is a place in the middle of nowhere with really glowing windows. Oh, the trees. I like this color of a tree. It's very cute. Okay. Oh, are you gonna answer the door? Oh, hello. My name is Lily. I will be looking after you for the next 2 days. Come on, let's head inside. Okay. Do we just teleport there or what? Oh. Okay. Oh, rainbow stairs. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, oof. Wait, I seen a thingy that said oof. Whoa. Wait, oh, that's 75 Robux. Well, which one do I want to... Since it's almost Christmas, I'll probably put this one on. Oh my god, 2 hats on. A balloon. Wait. Oh, that's so cool. Put your party. Wait, what? Put your party. Okay. I didn't even see what she said. I'll have a pizza. I hope it's pizza. Please be pizza. Alright. It looks like pizza one. Yes! Is there a different channel? Guess not. Okay. That must be the food. Let me go and answer. Wait, what? Yay! Here you go, kids. Enjoy. It should be in here, right? Oh. I'll save it just in case I need, like, food. Just in case, cause, like, I might need it. Never know. Wait, do you just pet this cat? Oh. Okay, we should get to sleep tonight. No, we want to play. I'm tired. I don't want to play. Yay, at least we'll stay awake, even though I'm tired, but I like to stay up. Can we go outside? No. What kind of painting is that? That's just like blobs of... That looks like blood. Oh my gosh. I will go and turn the power back on. Okay. I'll hide in here just in case something happens. This is like the perfect hiding spot. Cause like usually when like it gets dark and then the person has to like go somewhere, usually always bad things happen in these story games. Camping is my favorite story game. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my god, go, go, go. It's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does it teleport? I think it teleports. Oh my god. 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 He's after me. He's after me. Okay, right here. Here, I need this hammer so I could knock his head off. Oh gosh. I need to stay up here. Where is he? Is he killing me? Where is he? It looks like he's by me, but he's not. Help me. Oh my... Wait, I just got disconnected. Okay. Wait, I still have wings on. What's with our internet? Hello? I'll be telling you guys a promo code. Remember to do promo code /Roblox, and it's Argos Wings 2020. Make sure you get that and we'll redeem it, and then you will get these wings that are on me right now. Yeah. I wish I didn't have to reconnect, so that will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.